how do you potentially think about getting, or can you think about getting private equity and the federal government kind of at the same table to promote and develop and build out a U.S. solar manufacturing base?
You basically go to where the silicon manufacturing is in the United States. You'd co-locate glass manufacturing and a cell manufacturer and all that stuff, and you'd make an integrated facility.
Yeah.
And you'd provide, 1% interest financing from the federal government. And in fact, it might even have to be a 50% grant, right? I mean, right now we're buying solar panels from China at 30 cents a watt in the US, and I think it's like 25 cents a watt in most other markets around the world without tariffs, right? And in the United States, every study that I've seen that's recent has said that it is impossible using current private equity and financing and all that stuff to make solar panels for less than 45 cents a watt. Right. So that means we're structurally more expensive by at least 15 cents a watt and maybe 20 cents a watt. Right. Well, then if the federal government wants to solve that problem, then you solve it.